In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see more than 10 responses on Surveymonkey. For anyone who's conducted a survey, you know how valuable every single response can be to gather insights and make informed decisions. However, sometimes it's easy to hit a roadblock, especially if you're only able to see the first 10 responses due to the limitations of a basic account. We'll kick things off by navigating to Surveymonkey. The first step after reaching the website is simple login to your account. You'll see the option to log in right at the top. Click on Login, and for a faster process, you can use the Login with Google option if that's connected to your Surveymonkey account. Choose your Google account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page. Here, you'll find yourself on the Projects page. This area is your command center, where you can see all the surveys you've created or are currently working on. It's from here that we'll move to the next step, so make sure you're on this page before moving forward. The third step requires a bit of navigation. On the Projects page, locate the survey you're interested in, for which you'd like to view more responses. Surveymonkey projects typically have a menu represented by 3 dots located somewhere on the project's card or in line with the survey name. Click on these 3 dots to access a drop-down menu with more options. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select Analyze Results. This option is your gateway to digging deep into the data your survey has collected. It's where all the responses are stored, categorized, and presented in a way that you can make sense of what your respondents are telling you. Once you're in the Analyze Results section, look for the option that says Save As. This might seem a bit counterintuitive at first. Why save when what you want is to see more? Well, this is a crucial step because what you're actually looking to do is export your data. Click Save As and then find the Export File option. This is where the magic happens. By exporting your file, Surveymonkey allows you to break free from the constraints of viewing responses within its interface. You can download all your survey's responses in a format that's convenient for you, and then view them using the application of your choice, be it a spreadsheet program or something else that supports the file type you've downloaded. 2 very important things to note here, which could be considered our pro tips. First, exporting your file in this manner enables you to view all your responses without the restrictions imposed by Surveymonkey's basic viewing features. It's an efficient workaround, especially if you've found those first 10 responses to be tantalizingly informative and wish to dive deeper. Second, this feature, this ability to export your data for a more comprehensive view, is available only to accounts that have a subscription. It's one of the many perks that come with upgrading from a basic account, and it unlocks a whole new level of functionality within Surveymonkey, allowing you to maximize the insights from your surveys. And there you have it. Following these steps will enable you to see beyond the initial 10 responses, providing a broader overview of your survey results. Remember, each response holds a story or a piece of insight that's crucial to your survey's purpose. Don't let the limitations of viewing responses hold you back. Use the export feature, unlock all your data, and make the most out of your Surveymonkey projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.